If you want to record phone calls on the Xiaomi 17, then first of all you can check if you have the built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. And in order to check that, you need to be on a call, and then in the call menu you can try to find the recording button. In my case, I don't have it available. Usually you can find it, for example, by going to more, or it might be available somewhere over here on this main page of the call menu. And of course, the phone call recording option is available only in certain regions, in certain countries, so there's a chance that you simply don't have it, just like me. And if you don't, then in that case you need to use a third-party app that allows you to, of course, record phone calls. In order to get it, first, of course, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and in here we need to tap on the search, and now we need to type something like call recorder or something like that. You should be able to find many example apps that, of course, you can use in order to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I have been using it in the past, and I think this one works the best, but of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to try other apps because you might be able to find another app that is better for you, that is more suitable. Maybe you just like another app more than this one, and that's of course okay. So once we get the app, we want to open it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. First, we're gonna tap on next. We need to grant all the necessary permissions over here. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on Add Cube to Auto Start. So in here on this list, we need to find the Cube ACR option, the app, and we want to tap on the switcher. So it's going to be added to the background Auto Start. Now in here we have the option to disable power optimization. So I'm gonna press OK, and then in here we need to set it to no restrictions. All right, let's go back. We don't have to agree to geotagging. We can tap on no thanks and then OK, got it. We have a premium offer which we can close by using the X in the upper left corner, so we can undo this twice. And there is also an option that allows you to install a helper, additional app that is supposed to help run properly. Help run the main app properly. So in my case, I'm gonna actually install the helper. So I'm gonna tap on install helper. Now on this website, we should be able to choose one of these options, and I'm gonna choose download helper.apk. This allows us to just directly install, download the installer. So I'm gonna tap on download anyway over here. And once it is installed, we should be able to tap on open. And if you try to install it, then of course you will get information that due to security reasons, the app cannot be installed, simply because this is an app that is from an unknown source, that is not from the Play Store. But we can tap on settings over here, and we can allow our browser to install apps from unknown sources. In this case, we need to select that we are well aware of possible risks, and then we can tap on OK after 10 seconds. And let's go. There we go. Now we can install the app, and soon after that we should be able to open it. Once we open it, we want to tap on next, grant all the necessary permissions again. There we go. In here we need to tap on go to accessibility. Next, choose downloaded apps, and you will find Cube ACR app connector. And even though it is grayed out, you want to tap on the option in order to see this message, app was denied access. That is completely fine. We want to see it, and we want to close it. And we're gonna go back to the app again. Now in here, choose go to apps. In here, we need to find the Cube ACR helper. We want to select it, tap on more at the bottom of the screen, and choose allow restricted settings. And we need to verify ourselves. We're gonna go back to the app. Once again, go to accessibility. Once again, choose downloaded apps. And in here, this time we can choose Cube ACR app connector, and we can turn it on over here. We need to once again select that we are aware of possible risks, and then we're gonna press on OK. And there we go. Now over here we can also add Cube to auto start, so let's go over here and do the same as we did with the main app. We can go back, press OK to disable the power optimization, so we're gonna set it to no restrictions. Let's go back. Alright, now we can open the main app, the Cube ACR app. And the app is pretty much good to go. However, I recommend you tapping on these 3 lines in the upper left corner where you can check if recording is enabled. And also we have some additional settings that you can go through in order to adjust your app so it works exactly as you wish. Generally speaking, this app allows you to automatically record phone calls. So whenever a phone call starts, the app is going to start recording. So now if I call myself, and once the call begins, in notifications, we should be able to find the information that the Cube ACR and the helper are working in the background, which means that now the call is being recorded. One thing that I have to mention also is the fact that most of the time third-party apps, and no matter which one you use, but generally speaking third-party apps don't have a direct access to the earpiece that we use for calls. Hence why it is recommended to use a speaker if you want to properly record your phone call. This increases the chances of properly recording a phone call, and once you play it back, the audio that is recorded, most likely you will be able to hear the caller. Without it, you might not be able to hear it on the recording. You might not be able to hear the caller on the recording, that is, of course. And once you are done with the recording, of course, with the call, we can, of course, end it. And if you open the main app, then over here you should be able to find your recording, which you can, of course, play quite easily. We can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find additional options. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can record phone calls on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.